Hi, welcome to CivilMix. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to create grids and levels. First, go to Architectural tab, click Grids. Now we are going to create horizontal grids. For that, click on the start point and then on an end point to finish the grid. To create second one, go to start point and you will see the distance. You can rename your levels. I am changing level 1 to ground floor as I am doing. Now we are going to create levels. Go to East Elevation from Project Browser. You can see default 2 levels, 0 level and 4000 mm levels. Now I am creating 6600 level as I am doing now. It will named level 3 automatically. To edit a level, you just need to change the elevation value like I am doing. You can also rename the levels. I'm going to change level 2 into roof level 1. Now I am going to mark the dimension. Go to Modify and go to Aligned Dimension. You can use the shortcut DI and go to Grid. You can mark dimensions like I am doing for both vertical and horizontal grids. Now I am going to change the project units. Go to Manage, click Project Units. I am going to change the units of the lengths. Just click on this tab. From the dialog box, I am going to change the dimension from millimeter to feet and fractional inch. Click OK. You can see all the units are automatically converted into feet and fractional inches, and now I am going to change it again to millimeters. See. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends.